In a windswept fjord, a seasoned guide demonstrates building a low-profile wind shelter using driftwood and a weatherproof tarp to withstand a sudden squall. He teaches rapid water collection and purification using solar stills and dew harvest in rocky crevices. The expert shows emergency signaling with a mirror, whistle, and improvised beacon using reflective metal shards while maintaining safety. He demonstrates cold water safety by practicing a controlled improvised flotation using a life jacket and air-filled pack to survive a capsize. Finally, he outlines a compact 10-minute self-rescue plan and mental preparedness to stay calm.